Hello students. Now today we start the new topics circle. Now circle, the definition of circle, the collection of all the points in a plane. The collection of all the points in a plane. The collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane, which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. Is called a circle. The fixed point is O and the fixed distance is radius. The fixed point is the center of circle, and the fixed distance is called the radius of circle. Its fixed distance is called the radius of circle. Now O is the center of circle and A is a point on the circumference of circle. The distance between the center to the A is called the radius. Diameter is the longest chord. And all diameter have same length, which is equal to 2 times the radius. Diameter is the longest chord, and all diameters have the same length, which is equal to the 2 times of a radius. Now the circle is O as the center and A and B. The A and B is a point on the circumference of circle. The distance of AB is called an arc. This is the minor arc. AB is the minor arc. And BA is major arc. When we join A to B, the circle divided into 2 parts, one as the minor segment and other as major segment. Therefore, the arc AB join A to B, the circle divided into two parts, one as the minor segment and other as the major segment. Now next, this is a circle and they have three conditions. O as the center. Some points like P, R, Q. Some points like P, Q and R lies inside the circle. These points are called interior point. And the points M, N and L. These points M, N, L outside the circle. So such points are called the exterior point of the circle. Such points are called exterior point of the circle. These points are outside the circle, exterior point, and those points who lie inside the circle, that are interior point. And some points lie on the circumference of circle. Some points like T and S lies on the circumference of circle. These points are on the circle. The point on the circle, that's our circumference of circle. The diameter divided the circle into two equal parts. The diameter AB divide the circle into two equal parts. That's our semicircle. One part as the circle, one part of the circle are called semicircle. Semicircle is the half part of the circle. This part is divided by the diameter of the circle. This part is divided by the diameter of the circle. next as the sector of circle. The arc A and B, the arc A and B, यानी arc AB, the point A and B are called the distance of arc. These points are joint center of circle. This is the minor sector of circle. This is the minor sector. OAB is the minor sector of the circle. And this is minor sector. And this is the major sector. This is the major sector. The minor arc made by joining the center of circle by the radius are called a minor sector, and the other part of the circle is the major sector. Now the minor arc AB is the minor arc and BA is the major arc. AB, the distance of AB is the minor arc and the distance of BA is the major arc of the circle. Now a circle, the line which is cross the circle, a line which is crosses the circle, a line which is crosses the circle, that line is called a secant line. That line is called a secant line. Now, on the basis of that concept of circle, semicircle, arc, minor arc, major arc, minor segment, major segment, minor sector, major sector, radius, diameter, secant and other things. To simplify the exercise of first. Now next as the exercise first. Exercise first as the fill in the blanks and true false. Exercise first, fill in the blanks and true false. The center of circle lies in the dash of the circle. The center of circle lies in the, that is obvious. The center of circle. Where is the center of circle? Center of circle is inside the circle. So that is interior of circle. That is interior of circle. Next, a point whose diameter from the center of circle is greater than its radius lies in the dash 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 of the circle. Now once again, a point whose distance from the center of circle is greater than its radius. Greater than its radius. O is the center and OA is the radius. And line which is greater than radius. The line which is greater than radius. So the point B is the outside of the circle, so it is called the exterior point. Now fill at the gap of the sentence is the exterior. Next, as the an arc is a dash 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 when its end are the end of a diameter. Its end are the end of a diameter. This is the diameter AB. AB. A is the A and B is the end of a diameter. End of a diameter. So end of diameter is an arc. Is an arc which divided the circle into two parts that are called semicircle. Next, segment of circle is the region between arc and segment of circle is the region between arc and the chord. Segment of circle is the region between an arc and the chord of circle. Next, a circle divides the plane on which it lies in the three parts. जब कोई सर्कल किसी प्लेन को डिवाइड करता है, दैट्स आर डिवाइड इनटू द थ्री पार्ट्स. This question is the fill in the blanks. Now next, as the true false. Line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is a radius of the circle. That is true. A circle has only finite number of equal chords. No, false. It is false. If a circle is divided into three equal arcs, each is a major arc. No, false. And sector of region between the chord and its corresponding arc, it is false. A chord of circle which is twice as long as its radius, it is a diameter of the circle, it is true. And the circle is a plane figure, it is also true. So this exercise we completed related to the circle. related to the definition of some concept of the circle. Clear? Thank you.